For the longest time during my YouTube career of making videos, one thing I will almost always get at least once in the comments is, yo, how is your mic floating? Because I like to use my arms when speaking, I needed the microphone out of the way but still close enough to my mouth, and I ended up mounting it in this way, completely out of sight. But what happens because I'm using the NVIDIA Auto green screen is that it looks like it's floating, and because of the interesting shape and interesting design, it's often been referred to as my floating rectifier weapon, straight out of Wuthering Waves. So yeah, you could say that I'm the first 3-star resonator. I'm just kidding, 2 stars at best. This is the Blue Snowball Ice Condenser microphone. The original Blue Snowball microphones came out in 2005 and were the microphone for YouTubers in the early years. This is a newer version which came out in about 2014, but even then it's still more than 12 years old at this point. And just like a 3-star weapon, looking cool only gets you so far before the stats start holding you back. So it is officially time to make a massive audio upgrade. My rectifier looks incredible on camera, but the reality is that if I have to have the window open, it just picks up far too much background noise. And with summer just around the corner, if I don't have that window open to let out some of the summer heat, I will die. So I needed something high quality, high performing, and still budget friendly because I am far too poor from wailing on the recent Edgerunners collab banners. Which brings me to the FiFine AM8. At around $55, this microphone still costs less than some of these gacha characters, but the question is it a mid-tier 4-star flop, or is it a hidden 5-star pull that punches way above its class? Okay, so the Wuthering Waves analogies are getting way too out of hand now, so I need to stop. And to be clear, the company sent me the microphone for free, but they did not tell me what to say or how to present this video in any way. So these are my first genuine impressions and opinions. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is the FiFine here, the AM8, and because I did it for my last unboxing video, I'm going to do the same thing here and wear these white gloves. Not for any particular reason, just because I like the look of them. So let's get the unboxing on here. In delivery, there was a bit of like a dinging on here, but I don't hold that against them. It's just like something that happens when you get international shipping, really. So let's just open this here, put this aside. And first up, we've got the manual, the AM8 user's guide there. I might look at that later, I don't know. It seems pretty simple to hook up. And what's this? This is the stand for it. It's got like a 3/8 screw, if I remember correctly. I'm guessing this is where the microphone itself plugs in, or unless they have a stand in it. Ah, here we go. Here's the actual microphone itself. Let's put the stand to the side here. Oh, it's got a bit of like a nice heft to it as well. Like, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Like this bracket here is solid metal. I'm sure it's got to be. Like, the body itself has got is plastic, like a matte plastic, and it's got the windshield on here. Can I take this off? Oh, I can. Okay. So you can take the windshield off, replace that if you need be. And there, that's what it looks like here. This is the microphone actually on the inside. Let's just put that back. Okay, so this is actually the back of the microphone. This is the front. This here is actually the mute button. So you can just press here and mute it directly from the microphone itself. You don't have to go into any settings. And on the other side here, you got another button where you can change the LED. Like, you can see the LED ring around here. This can change to any type of color that you want, like red, green, blue, yellow, all that sort of thing. And the first knob on top here is for the volume gain, and the one down here is actually for headphones. So you could hook up your own specific headphones down here and get like direct monitoring as well, which is pretty interesting. And as you can see, let's just, while I'm here, you can see here that we have an input for both the USB-C as well as XLR. I do not have an XLR. That might be another upgrade I'll get sometime in the future, because you need like a whole sound deck or system. Again, this is way above my understanding, because I'm an absolute unk and I don't know what I'm doing. I do know this is XLR. I don't know how to set it up, but I know this is XLR. So if I do want to set it up in the future, that's where I'll plug it in for like a more higher quality sound. But just for me, for my usage, I'm going to use a USB-C here. Really, really good. I'm guessing these knobs here are adjustable, so you can like change how how loose and how stiff the swivel is on this, I think. Very nice. Let's get this on the base, shall we? Let's just put this in here. Oh, one thing I've noticed, actually, there's actually two different sets of threading in here. They've got like a larger 5/8 thread, and on the inside, there's that 3/8 thread as well, so you can get both in there. But if you want to go for something smaller, like a quarter thread, then you're going to have to need an adapter or something like that. One thing I noticed about this stand, though, is it's actually really hefty. It's got some weight to it. I'm actually quite surprised. So let's just try and put this in here. Attach. Nice. Okay. Oh, there we go. Good. Let's just put the box to the side. In fact, no, what else is in the box? Ah, yeah. Kind of need this, don't I? So this is the cable for the microphone here. It's a USB-C to USB-C or USB-C adapter here for USB-A as well. So if you don't have one lying around, you can just attach that there and well, just use the cable. How long is this cable actually? Ah, it's sticking to my gloves. Ah, okay, this is longer than I thought. Okay, so I'm trying to like extend this past my arms. You can't see it on camera, but this is a long cable. How long is this? Is it like 1.2 meters or something? Say it on the manual? I don't think so. Say it on the box? I don't know how long the cable is itself. It is quite long, and everything's coming out. Oh god. Oh god. Let's just put this back and put this to the side. It's more than long enough for what I need it for, so I don't think I'll be like particularly troubled by like being too short or anything like that. If anything, it might be a bit too long, but still, if it is too long, you can just wrap it up and use this like handy cable tie type thing here that keeps sticking to my gloves. Okay, so let's try and get this hooked up into my system, shall we? Okay, so now I'm going to get this microphone like unplugged and unhooked from my system and then plug this one into this arm as well. So let's do that. Okay, that's hooked up now. Let's get the USB cable in. I can't use the same cable because, like I said, my old microphone was really old, so it was still on like micro USB. I don't even think any device like makes these or uses these anymore. So if I'd had another USB-C microphone, I could just like literally just plug it out, plug it in, and just keep going as usual. But I need to like change the entire cable because, like I said, so old. It's plugged in. You can see the light there. If I can, oh, change all the different lights. So now I need to just like change these settings on my microphone here. Microphone, FiFine microphone. Okay, it shows up. You can't see it on there, but just take my word for it. Okay, how about now? Ah, I was wondering why the microphone wasn't showing up. I don't know if you can see it there, but the red light is on the microphone and that means it was muted. So let me just press that. Okay, oh, nice. Way too loud. Way too loud. Oh my God. Okay, I need to change all my settings on this. Much better. Oh, the individual customization on the fly. Wow, this is so useful. Guys, you do not know like how much I've been struggling with my old microphone. Yeah, it looks cool, but like this has got so much more. And it stays around the same level as well. Like stays exactly where I want it to stay. Like it's not too high, not too low, nothing like that. I really, really like this. Wow. This is like not completely separate to the review, but if I just like put my old microphone, like the old Orb on this stand here, that's like a pretty cool award, no? Like I can like present this. Here's your award. Like I can just like put this on a shelf or something and just have it looking really cool in the background. I kind of like it. I'm gonna like mess around with the settings on here and then I'll get back to you in like a few days time once I've like dialed everything in. Okay, so it's been a few days of using this microphone in several of my videos as well. You might have noticed that. Like I was just tweaking the settings and all that. And I have to say that I'm really, really happy with the quality. Like being able to mute and unmute and like change the gain and all that sort of thing on the microphone itself is really useful. And that's all I needed to do. And to FiFine, who I'm sure is watching this video right now, I have a bit of a confession to make that they didn't know about until right now. Okay, so they reached out about sending the microphone to me a few weeks ago on May 26th, but the fact is that I've actually had this exact same microphone in my Amazon wishlist since February 27th, almost 3 months before then. So this was something that I have wanted for a while. I've wanted it since I saw it on a Think Media video where they compared the different audio qualities of several really high quality microphones as well. And this one stood out as still hitting up there with a lot of the big boys. So when they offered to send it to me for free, of course I said, yeah, of course. I mean, I also upgraded it a little because the cable was like really like sticking out and I didn't like the way it stood out, which might not bother you, but it was something that I wanted to fix. So I got like a 90-degree USB-C adapter thing to just like keep it tucked away like this. I don't know. I just like how clean it looks, you know? So yeah, now it's up to you guys. What do you think? Does this microphone sound good to you? And I know this video is like semi-sponsored, but I'm actually serious that if you are looking for a decent microphone, like a one that doesn't break the bank at all, this is the one that I would recommend because it's literally the one that I was going to get, you know? I'll leave a link down below if you want to pick one up for yourself. Again, another massive thank you to FiFine for sending me this microphone. I really, really appreciate it. So that's about it. I will see you in the next video. Peace.